Charlie made pancakes for you and you already asked her to add sprinkles on it. Do you want to watch it?
Then, on to the video. Adding sugar on dry ingredients. Here is Dawn's request. Yes, it is, but this time, it's Dawn's request. Time to spray the pan and add the pancake batter on it. Dawn says, "Thank you."